Welcome to Mother Nature and the Healthy Ingredient channel. We will be looking at the best ways to use the readily available ingredients in our kitchen. We will be introducing different ingredients in the different videos that we are going to be posting. And in this first video, our first ingredient that we're going to discuss is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper? Yes, cayenne pepper. What are the health benefits of cayenne pepper? Cayenne pepper aids in different ways. One, it helps to lower our blood pressure for those who have blood pressure problems. It also reduces hunger for those who have appetite problems. It also boosts our metabolism. It also aids our digestive health for those who have digestive problems. It also reduces cancer risks. Can't believe this. It also reduces cancer risks. It is also a pain reliever for those who have arthritis, who have menstrual pain, and so forth. And it is easy to add to our diet. There are so many other health benefits that we find when we use cayenne pepper. So for our next video, we are going to be talking about how to use cayenne pepper and when to use it. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button below.